When you're trying to take part in a Twitter chat, the best thing to do is to find out what is the hashtag used by it. Right now, I'm looking at Rubu Social as the chat. So go to Rubu Social and search, and it'll throw up all these results. People who have used Rubu Social as a chat hashtag will certainly be using it here and will be visible here. As you can see, there is a question raised, and I have gone ahead and instead of the typical method of replying to it, I have quote tweeted it using the quote tweet button and ended it with a hashtag. If you want to know what the question is, Rubu Social uses media as a way of putting forth its question. So I'm going to photos and looking at the questions asked by them. However, not all Twitter chatters use the image format of raising a question, in which case you will have to look at more options and go to all, from everyone, from everywhere. In case somebody has quote tweeted you, it's a good idea to retweet it or to interact with him. Don't forget to add your hashtag and use it in exactly the format which is being used by the Twitter chatters. As you can see, people have sometimes just answered, but then they mention the answer number, or sometimes the Twitter host will interact with somebody who has left replies to their questions and answers. This is how you can use a hashtag for Twitter chats.